Welcome to our Trails and Travels channel. This is a short preview of our travel adventures around the world. If you want to see more of our previous and upcoming world travel adventures, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit like, and feel free to leave a comment. One of our favorite activities while traveling is photography. We like getting up early to beat the masses so that we can take uncrowded photos of the many sites often overrun by mobs of tourists. The early bird gets the best pictures. Here's a few photos from Florence and Rome, all taken in the early morning hours. Another thing we loved while traveling was riding this iconic 2CV car in Paris. And also taking a fast train ride into Switzerland and gondola rides with breathtaking views of the Swiss Alps. Traveling onward from the mountains to the Mediterranean, where you can take a boat ride on the Italian Riviera. From Europe to the USA, we love doing things like horseback riding in Monument Valley on the Navajo Reservation, navigating the snow with the snowmobile at Lake Tahoe in Nevada, to enjoying the adrenaline rush of a Jeep tour through the red rocks of the desert in Sedona, Arizona. One of the many pleasures of traveling is eating, and no trip is complete without sampling the many foods from around the world. From steak frites and crepes at a sidewalk cafe in Paris, to pasta and seafood in Italy, and of course, gelato. Maybe even more than food. We love the arts and culture of the world. From the Fountain of the Moor in Piazza Navona, to the statue of the Dying Gaul in the Capitoline Museums in Rome, and masterpieces by Raphael and Michelangelo. Choosing a centrally located hotel while traveling is crucial because it allows you to easily access key attractions, dining, and transportation options, enhancing your overall convenience and experience. Perhaps our greatest passion in our travels is getting out into the natural world. From waterfalls to slot canyons, this is our love. We love hiking in nature because it provides the wondrous benefits of physical rejuvenation, mental clarity, and a profound connection to the beauty and serenity of the natural world, enriching our lives in ways that are both invigorating and deeply satisfying. Today, we are blessed to live in the city of Tucson, Arizona, a town in the incredible Sonoran Desert. Living in southern Arizona is a unique delight, where the stunning desert skies paint breathtaking sunsets and the presence of wild animals adds a sense of untamed beauty to daily life. On Trails and Travels channel, we share many images of the landscape and stunning nature of this place. And one last thing, Jocelyn wants to remind all of you of a lesson learned. Always travel light.
So what's the moral of this story?
I'm not gonna bring my chocolate.
Here's a sneak peek at some of our future plans. In the next year, we will be traveling to England, Italy, and the Philippines, along with embarking on a road trip through the USA. The videos we plan to produce will offer a rich tapestry of diverse cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and unforgettable experiences that create lifelong memories. Well, folks, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, happy trails and travels.